Hey there, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how to use the Bing Chat AI tool. So the age of the AI chatbots are here and there's really no way to go about it. So might as well embrace it and use it to its full potential to help us with anything we need to achieve. So, of course, during this very popular AI chatbot trend, Microsoft is also updating its search engine Bing with its own AI powered copilot for the web. So, the first thing you want to do is to go to the Bing.com website and go ahead and search for literally anything. For this video, we're going to search for ChatGPT 4, for example. After using the Bing search engine, on the upper right corner, you'll see a button that says Try the new Bing today. Go ahead and click on it, and then click on Try it today, and it'll bring you to a pop-up window where it'll ask you to open Microsoft Edge to use the Bing AI-powered search engine. Once you've clicked on it and opened Microsoft Edge to access the new Bing, you'll be greeted with this window. Here, it'll give you a short introduction about the all-new Bing and how it has a AI-powered copilot for the web. What's cool is that there are also options on the lower part where you can choose the kind of style the AI bot will be using. You can set the AI bot to be creative, balanced, or precise with its AI prompts. Once you're happy with the AI chatbot settings, let's go ahead and choose our first prompt. And for the purposes of this video, we're going to go with a 150-word summary of One Piece. As you can see, just like any other AI chatbot program on the market today, it's going to take a while to process our prompts and give us a proper result. Give it a bit of time, and once it's done generating answers for us, there we go. We've now given our AI chatbot Bing its first prompt. As you can see, it'll remember in its own message history all the prompts that we've fed to it. For example, we can ask it to rephrase it in its own words. And as you can see, it'll ask us back to be specific about what exactly it wants us to write in its own words. We want it to write the summary of One Piece on its own words, and there we go. After giving it some more time, it will generate its own summary using its own words this time. As you can see, we can also ask it to rephrase that generation in 50 words. Alright, now let's try a different prompt. This time, let's feed it the prompt of when was math discovered. As you can see, it has now generated an answer to our prompt of when was math discovered. A super nifty feature that Bing Copilot has is if you click on certain hyperlinks on its generation prompt for us, it'll lead us directly to the source material of where it got that information from. As you can see, after clicking the link, we'll go to the website where it got the information of when math was discovered. Now, going back to the Bing chatbot, it'll also give us links to all the sources it used as reference material for its answer to our prompt. By using all of these features, you can definitely double check and make sure that all the information it's feeding you is precise, correct, and what you're exactly looking for. And that really is all there is to it. Congratulations, you now know how to use the new Bing Chat AI bot. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them down in a comment below. Leave a like on this video if you feel like you learned something new, and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this kind of content. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.